How to uninstall Lightroom presets completely. First of all, open Settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap on Apps or App Management to see the list of installed applications. From the list, find FLTR and tap on it to open its app details. Next, tap the Uninstall button from the bottom of the screen. You will be asked to confirm your action, so select OK or Confirm. This will remove the Lightroom Presets app along with all the presets you have downloaded, ensuring nothing is left behind on your device. Once the uninstallation is complete, you can reinstall Lightroom presets if you want to start fresh and add only the presets you actually need. Now you know how to uninstall Lightroom presets completely. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.